Hello everyone, my name is Durgesh Shukla and I am an office administration trainer at ICICI Foundation. In this video, we would learn about demand draft, which is also known as DD. DD is a prepaid negotiable instrument, that is, the drawer has to pay the total amount in the drawee's bank when it is presented by the payee or the payee's bank for the payment. It is always payable on demand. Demand draft is a financial instrument which has a feature similar to a bill of exchange. Demand draft cannot be dishonored or get bounced like a check. The facility of drawing a demand draft is available even to a non-account holder. The purpose of demand draft is to transfer money with a guarantee of payment to the payee. Now we will look at how to fill DD application form. This is the application form of demand draft. It has basically two parts. The first part is one on the right side which you submit to the officer at the branch, while the second left portion of the application is the counterfoil, which is returned to you while properly received stamp. Kindly note, counterfoil act as a proof that you have drawn DD and the bank has accepted it for further payment. So counterfoil should be kept properly till the time DD is honored. Now let's see the right part of the application. Here on the top corner you have to mention the date on which you are applying for the DD. Here you have to mention the branch name in which you are applying. Here you have to tick on demand draft as you intend for it. Here you have to mention the branch name where the DD will be presented for honoring. Here you have to mention in the favoring of the person or the account for which you want to honor this demand draft. Here you have to mention the amount of demand draft with charges. Now the charges vary and it depends on the demand draft amount. So before mentioning here, first of all you have to mention it with the bank officials. Now you will write here the total amount in figures, that is amount plus charges. Here you have to mention the demand draft amount in words. If you are applying for the demand draft through check, so you have to mention here the check number with your account number. Here the applicant's name will come, applicant's signature and applicant's mobile number. So this was the right part of the application form. Now let's see the left part. It's very easy to fill the left part of it. Here again you have to mention the date at the top. You have to mention the date and the branch in which you are applying, DD amount, payable branch in the favoring of the person or the account number, applicant's name, check number, date of the application of demand draft, account number. So this way you can fill the left as well as the right portion of the application form. Now let's see the next page. So in this you have to mention the bearer's name, bearer signature and the account holder's signature. If you are making the payment through cash, you have to mention the denominations with the pieces and amount, and you have to total all the amount here. And here you have to mention the signature of the recipient. So this way you can fill the demand draft application form. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in our next video. Till then, stay safe, keep learning.